we have a simple formula that we use when we coach people to speak, either, and these are everything from Fortune 50 CEOs that we've worked with, people just getting started, people who are raising capital, and others that just have they know that the message needs to be delivered in a more clear way. A lot of people are kind of muddled around their message, and therefore they sort of keep a little quiet because they're shy about public speaking anyway. And then when you add to that a bit of confusion around what the message is, even though they have this passion inside for what they do, they really don't articulate it very clearly. So we work on that. We have 3 steps to help them to craft that story, to craft the visionary message. And they actually work on that. So they don't just get the theory and the tips or the ways in which an effective speaker conducts him or herself, but they actually craft a talk and practice it and get feedback, and we debrief it. So that's enough, again, a lot to do in a single day, but we do it with everybody. Everybody has that experience. Everybody gets that feedback, the 360 feedback, and gets coached. And then we see some magic happen.